Alright guys, CSX westbound. My other camera is almost out of battery, so I want to use this one next. So I want to use the gray one. Wow, and that's B43 SpongeBob cap. Whoa, and that's D78. Woo! That was pretty awesome. That was pretty cool. Remember guys, if you know the CSX train symbol and the CSX train destination to the CSX westbound short mixed freight train, please comment on all that in the comment section in this video. Bye, and that's all for now. By the way guys, I have to use the gray camera because my black one is on a half a battery. And I don't want my other camera to die on me. And I don't want my black camera to die on me. So I'm using the gray camera. Okay, bye, and that's all for now.